You'll have love at first sight with the 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Get the best of both worlds in this versatile, capable Avalanche. A thoughtful blending of pickup utility and SUV comfort and convenience are yours in this stylish, family-friendly truck. Feel comfortable and prepared in this versatile Avalanche. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.